guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make like shabby style flowers. What you'll need is just some lace, some scissors. You can even use fabric. Some of the tutorials I saw, they just like cut up an old scarf from the 99-cent store. They used what they had. Old t-shirts, dresses. These little hair ties are from the 99-cent store. They're little rubber bands. But I saw other people as well using, you just tie string, so I'll show you. But I would suggest getting the clear rubber bands versus the black ones, just because if you're working with white, like I used a clear one on this. So, a little shabby. See, this one was a black rubber band, it stands out. And you could easily just add, you know, a center, or you can even add a, another flower on top of this. I didn't glue them down because I don't know what I'm doing yet. Oh. But yeah, you get the hint. Okay, so I'll show you. Super quick, super easy. So what you do is get your lace. This one's about 2 inches wide, maybe. Just start it off in the palm of your hand. Turn it this way. Palm of your hand and wrap it around once. Oops. Okay, let's start over again. 1, 2, hold on, try not to fold it up. 3, 4, 5. You could do like 6 or 7, I guess, just depending on how. So I did 6 right now, and I think that looks good. I think it'll look good. So I'm doing 6. And just cut it off. Get your little rubber band. So these are the folded sides. This is the open side. Just gonna put it around the center. I just did it twice. And now it looks like you have a bow, actually. You could just make bows. Obviously, don't wrap it 10 times. Then you get your scissors and you feed it in the part where it's folded. And just start cutting away. You should probably use sharp scissors, or cutting scissors, actually, for fabric. And this does not have to be perfect. This is the whole part about shabby that's good, because nothing's perfect. It's shabby. Okay, so I think I've cut all the layers fully through. If not, just go through and finish cutting them. Yeah, okay. So while it's still looking like a bow, I felt like I liked the look of this better, the shabbiness. It's more even shabby. This is where you turn Edward Scissorhands. You just start cutting and you just keep going. So I'm just going to town, and it doesn't have to be perfect. You're just back and forth, back and forth. Okay, now you have this Shabalicious. Now basically what you do is you just get the top layers and the bottom few layers and just start pulling to the left, to the right. You're gonna rotate it in like a circle. And this is where you just play with it until you get it, you know, perfect where you wanna have your shabbiness. You're just filling in the blank space, which are on the sides. Now I'm on the other side. Can't really tell because there's the rubber band. Now I'm just rotating. Shabby chic flower. Okay. And like I said before, here's some examples. I mean, you could even stick a flower within a flower if you wanted to. Whatever you're, you know, doing your project. And you can go through and continue to shabify it. Is that a word, shabify? And then, you know, when you're done, just put your center. You can make handmade centers, just a simple little pearl. I didn't have anything bigger than that. You know, a button. This is like a little bead, but it's sparkly. Put the whole side down. Like I said, possibilities are endless. And that's it, quick and easy. And like I said before, here's another white one. This one I mixed 2 colors together. So there's some, I think this is like a mauve, purpley, pinky color. It's on the bottom and on the top. And then here's just an all. And this fabric is this lace is way, I don't know if you can tell by the video, it's just crunchier and stiff. The softer the fabric, the easier it is to work with. I did see a tutorial with cheesecloth, and I know they sell cheesecloth at the 99-cent store, so I might try that. But yeah, this one I use is nice and soft, and it's actually stretchy, but it doesn't have to be stretchy. So, all right, bye guys.